I have made over $1.2 million by creating and posting Instagram Reels. In this video, we will be creating a new reel together so you can see exactly how I do it, so you can copy this exact strategy to do the same. Be sure to stick around to the end of this video because you will see what I am selling and promoting at the end of my reels that is making me all this money. Also, hit subscribe and that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. Let's get into it. Okay, now obviously you need to have an Instagram account and download the Instagram app on your phone before you can do any of this. After you've done that, click on the Instagram app on your phone. After I tap on the app, it brings me to my Instagram homepage right here. Now I am going to click on my face on the bottom right, and this is my Instagram profile. You can see that these are all my Instagram reels that I've created. I post reels once a day so I can reach as many people on Instagram as possible. The more people I can reach, the higher chances I can get paid for whatever product or service I am promoting on Instagram. So let me show you how I create my Instagram reels that has made me over $1 million per year. Tap on the plus sign on the top right hand side and then click on Reel. Now you will select a video from your mobile device. It is important to know that you should have videos stored on your device so you can select the video that you want to post to Instagram. I already have these videos on my iPhone, so I can just select the video that I want. So I am selecting this one right here for 16 seconds long. And I am going to trim down this video because it is too long. Click on next. And here I can trim down my video by moving the toggle that you see on the screen. So obviously when people are scrolling on Instagram, I am sure they do not want to watch me just scroll on my phone. So that's why I like to keep these types of reels short. If you look at the reels that I create on my Instagram account, most of them are only 3 to 5 seconds long because I am not doing any talking. However, for videos where you are talking on the screen, then obviously they can be longer. So this one, I am just going to choose a frame. I am going to select this frame right here, and then I am going to just make it at 4 seconds long. This is all you need because once you apply text to your reel and users are reading the text on your reel, the 4 seconds start to replay and the seconds start to add up. For example, this reel is 4 seconds long. But once I add text to this reel and someone stays on my reel to read the text, maybe the total watch time for that user is now 30 seconds long because they took the time to read the text that is playing on this reel. Now, don't worry, I will show you exactly how that looks like once this reel is done. Okay, so now I click on next. And I just paused this reel so you do not hear the background noise. Next, I am going to select music for my reel. You may have noticed that when you scroll on Instagram Reels, a lot of reels have background music. I think this catches the user's attention, and a lot of people want to be entertained on social media. If I do not add music to this reel, it's kind of boring. So just click on the music icon right here. And this is where you can choose a trending song. Now, in my Instagram account, I have saved some trending music that I found on other users' account. So I am going to go to saved, and then I want to choose this first song right here. You can choose any song that you like, but I recommend you to choose a type of music that goes with the messaging on your reel. For example, I am trying to educate people on my reel, helping them how to make money on Instagram. That is what my reel is about. So I would probably not choose a song that is sad, or I will not choose a song that is related to children. I want to select a song that is a little upbeat so it goes with what I am trying to post on my reel. So I am going to choose this first song right here. Right now, the Squid Games show on Netflix is very popular, so I am going to choose a trending song related to the show. It happens to be this song right here called Pink Soldiers, so let's click on that. Okay. And here I can select the frame that I want for music. So let's pretend I like this frame right here, starting at 12 seconds. All right. I tapped on done and I paused it again so you do not hear the music playing in the background. If you are a beginner and you want to learn step by step how to make money on Instagram, then I want to invite you to my free training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name and email address to get access to my webinar training. I will show you exactly how you can use Instagram to make passive income for yourself. After you watch the training, you can book a free one-on-one call with my team, and we will help you get everything set up so you can start making some passive income on Instagram. Okay, so let's go back to this tutorial. Now I want to add my text. So click on the text icon right here, and I want to say, next time you scroll on Instagram, take 10 minutes, create a reel, and post it on your account. Watch Instagram, find thousands of people to purchase your digital product. This is the best way to make $500 per day. Okay, so this is my text, and now I want to make sure it looks nice on my reel. I'm just going to adjust it like so, and I want it a little bigger, maybe like this. Click on done. And let's see where I can put this. I can put it right here, but this may be covering the double tap button. So let me move it up. And okay, I want it right here. So make sure you adjust the text so it's sitting nicely in the center. Now my reel is complete. Click on next. If you are enjoying this video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so this is where I can write a caption for my reel. I already have a caption that is created on my iPhone. So let me just save this reel as a draft. Click on Save Draft, exit from Instagram, and I will go to my phone. And now I am going to go to my notepad where I created my caption. I always have my captions already saved on my device, so all I do is copy and paste. So let's select all of this. This will be my caption. Click on copy, and then go back to the Instagram app. And then this is my draft. Click on the draft, click on my reel, and now I can just copy and paste my caption to my reel. So earlier I said when someone is reading text on your reel, that is when the video is replaying in the background. So even though my reel is 4 seconds long, if a user is reading the text on my reel, that time a user spends on my reel will start to add up. Maybe it takes them 30 seconds to read my message. The longer someone stays on your reel, the better, because that will tell Instagram that your content is popular. And therefore, Instagram will push your content to more people. The more views you get on your reels, the better, because that way you can turn viewers into followers, followers into leads, and then leads into paying customers. Now, I'm not going to read you my entire caption. You can do this on your own time when you look on my Instagram account. And finally, I want to edit the cover for my reel. Click on Edit Cover, and I am just going to select a frame. So I am happy with this frame right here. Click on Profile Grid to make sure it's leveled properly. Right here, I just want to move it down because it's cutting off my head. And now you can see my head, my purse, and the text. Click on done. And if I were posting this reel for real, all I need to do is click on share. But I am not going to post this right now, so I am just going to save it to draft. If you want one-on-one help to start making money on Instagram and have my team build everything out for you, then make sure you get my training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, get access to my webinar training so you can book a free one-on-one call with my team, and we will show you how everything works. Stay tuned for the next YouTube video coming up, because in that video, I will show you 5 new hacks that will help you go viral on Instagram so you can make money.